Recently I was really pleased to be given the opportunity to work with Onduline to re-roof my shed. They sent these brilliant tiles, so we measured our existing roof, which was looking a little bit sad. Instead of sheets, we'd opted for the Onduline roofing tiles in this lovely red colour. They were really easy to install, all the fixings came with them, and we just measured as we went along to make sure that everything fit really nicely. It was very simple, even the children could do it. Once we'd laid enough tiles to cover the whole roof, we then used this edging to just finish off the edge really neatly and make it really weatherproof. All the screws have these excellent little washers that mean that no rain can get inside. I'm so pleased with the finished result. I think you'll agree it looks so much better. Thank you so much, Onduline.